name is Agnes.
Hi, my name is Elise.
Hi, my name is Leah. And today we're presenting our Expo Project 2023. It is about
Solar power.
So first I'm going to explain about the facts. Then Leah is going to talk about the scientific method. Next, Elise is going to show her our example of using solar power. And last, we're all together going to talk about some facts. So let's start. The background of this is we all know there's a big climate change happening. Temperatures are rising, droughts and wildfires are starting to occur more frequently, and rain patterns are shifting, glaciers and snow are melting, and the global mean sea level is rising. This is a crisis for both us, animals, the nature, and the whole earth. So now it's time for the sun to be a helping hand for the earth using solar power. The sun is a star, a massive ball of powerful exploding gases. It gives the planets all their light and heat. Without the sun, there's no life, no earth. One of our biggest causes of climate change is generating power. Generating electricity and heat by burning fossil fuels causes a large chunk of global emissions. We must switch our electricity supply away from dirty fossil fuels. We have to supply as much electricity as possible from clean sources that emit fewer greenhouse gases than burning fossil fuels. For example, solar power. Because the sun provides more energy than we'll ever need, electricity from solar power is a very important energy source in the move to clean energy production. Solar energy can be used in various ways. One of the most common ways is to convert the heat energy from the sun into electrical energy. Solar energy is the energy obtained from the sun. The main form of energy obtained from solar energy is light and heat energy. Solar power is energy from the sun that is converted into thermal or electrical energy. Solar energy is the cleanest and most abundant renewable energy resource available. Over to Elise.
One of the most popular renewable energy sources is solar energy. To catch the sun's energy, you need some kind of solar panel. Moving on to Leah.
This is scientific method. Observation. We made an oven to melt chocolate using solar power. Question. Will we be able to melt chocolate? Hypothesis. We think that the oven will be able to melt the chocolate because sun energy is light and heat. Test. We put chocolate in between biscuit like s'more in the oven. Result. The chocolate melt. Yummy. Conclusion. The heat from the sun helped it melt. We don't need to convert heat or light to electricity. In this experiment, over to Elise.
This is our example of a solar oven. How did I make it, you may ask? It's really simple. Just glue some foil onto a pizza box, then cut out the black paper and glue it on the foil, then cut out a piece of plastic, then glue it on the box so the sun can shine through. What is happening? The sun's light rays are collected by the foil flap and concentrated inside the box. The rays are transformed into thermal energy that slowly rises the temperature inside the box, causing the chocolate to melt. Moving on to Agnes.
So now I will tell you some advantages of solar energy and disadvantages. Let's start with advantages. It decreases use of non-renewable resources. It reduces the power bill. It has many areas of use, and it has a technology development. Disadvantages of solar energy. Sunlight depends. It depends if you're in a country where it's very hot and has a lot of sun. It's a very good use for solar power. High construction costs. It costs a lot to build and construct solar panels. Storage energy is expensive, and it takes up a lot of space to both store the energy and to the factories where you make the solar panels produces a lot of pollution, which is not good for the environment. Over to Elise and Leah.
So as you can see, this is the sun and a house with solar panels. The sun will shine onto the solar panel and make energy for the house, also the light bulbs.
This is street light. We use this at night. And this is charging electric car. We need to use this too. Over on to Agnes.
Thank you for listening to our presentation, guys. Now you know what solar power is, and I hope you liked our presentation. Thank you. Bye.